Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a JetBeam T6. Now this has a maximum output of 4,350 lumens. So let's open this up and see what's in. Have a nice little drawstring here. Opening it up. Go ahead and show you everything that's in it. Right offhand comes with that extra O-ring. Shows you a certificate of approval. Oh, okay. Here's the warranty card. And here's the user manual, which appears to be in another language. Let's see if there is English. Yep, there is English on this side. So it's just going to show you that right there. Okay, just to show you the turbo, 4,350 lumens, 1,500 on high, 350 lumens on medium, and 30 lumens on low. It is waterproof, IPX8. And you can drop it to 1.5 meters and 750 meters throw distance. Wow. Alright, so we looked at that. Put that back over here. And we're going to take out, if I can open this, hold the strap. Now this appears to be, and it comes with a shoulder strap. Oh, okay. And we're going to take the light out. This is a very soft foam. I'm going to set this right over here. And this is the light. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Look at those Cree XPL LEDs. Trying to get out of the glare of the light. Smooth reflector, and that is kind of deep. Then we're going to show you the sides. This is a 2-button. Got your power switch, and then you have your mode switch. Look at the machining on this. Now this reminds me, this shape and design reminds me of the Nitecore TM16 GT. So I'm going to bring that out here and let you see it, because I think this is almost identical. So we're going to take a look at them. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and show you the size comparison. This is the Nitecore TM16 GT. And if I put them together, they are identical size and head, including very similar, if not identical, in the reflector and crease. And the only difference is that this one is slightly longer. Alright, so we're going to set this Nitecore to the side and go through and finish looking at the machining. Very nice machining on this. Just an all-around, this is real nice rough texture there, knurling, so you can have a good grip of it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get in to the light, show you what I'm running in it. Okay. So, INR 18650. These are the 35E, which is 3500 milliamp. And these are protected cell, and these are 10 amp. So I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to show you, springs are identical inside the light as well. This does spin, which I really like this design. Well greased threads. Very well greased. Nice high quality spring on there. And the prongs to be able to put that back in. We're going to put it back in. And a lot of screwing later. Alright, we got it on. And that's a light. Now we're going to go ahead and go through the UI. Now the first button here on the left is the power button. So we're going to press and hold that to turn it on. Okay, and we're going to click it again. Goes to turbo, because the reason why is that it cycles down through the modes. Alright, very nice. And press and hold that shut off. Now if you want to get into the special features, you're going to press and hold this, get strobe, click it again, you get a regular SOS. And then if you click this again, this has a very nice, like a old style beacon. It slowly brightens and fades out. Very nice. I like that. That's all there is to this light. And let's go ahead and take this bad boy out in the wilderness and see how well it does. We are out here in the darkness with the JetBeam T6. We're going to start off on low and then go to high, because that's the way the UI is. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And you can sort of make out 25 feet in front of you. Okay. Now we're going to go to the next level. And that is on turbo, or high, should I say. And look at that. This thing is insane. Look at how bright this is. Very, very similar to the Phoenix TK75, which I also did a review on. Wow, look at that. Easily making the palm trees. This is just an amazing light. Look at the performance on this. Across the field. Look at how wide this beam is. This is just insane how bright this is. This is crazy. Very, very nice. JetBeam is not playing around. Look at that. Usually making the school. Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to go down, because their UI goes downward. We're going to go down. And still got some good light output. Usually making it across the park still. Fence line, tree line. Look at that. Okay, we're going to go down to the next level here. Usually still making the tree of life. And then back down where we were. So let's look at the turbo again. Or should I say high? Look at that. I'm going to put it on the tree of life. And look at how wide this beam is. Crazy. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This did an excellent job. I've been very happy with the few other JetBeam products that I have. This one takes the cake as far as the best one I've had so far. This to me is the best JetBeam I have. It is very bright. It's very, very similar to the throwing power and range as the Nitecore TM26. And as you see, they're identical in their reflectors. But this JetBeam is cheaper. I want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this light for review. This is an incredible value. You can head over there and buy this. Use the link that I provide you in the description. Also, if you look up here on the screen, I'll give you my discount code there to help you save some money. This is an incredible light. This has excellent finishing on this. The craftsmanship, the output, the focus, the beam, the flood, and the spill all in one light. This is an incredible light, and it's an excellent value. Comes with a lot of other stuff, and as well as the strap, which to me is really not, this is not that heavy. So I'm going to only use a lanyard on it myself. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. And again, thank you again for watching. Take care.